So yeah, this happened. On the way to work the other day, car pulled out in front of me and T-boned him going 50 miles per hour. I'm safe and I'm alive. Everyone's okay, but the Jeep, not so much. Quite a bit of damage on this thing.
Well, it don't look too bad from this side. But I hit her at about 50 miles an hour. And this is what it looks like on the other side. So I'll push this wheel back pretty far. Yeah. Broken up, damage there, tab there. It needs to be repaired. That needs to be repaired up there. The whole fender's got to be shot. The hood. Gonna need a new headlight there. New bezel. New grill piece. I think the lower control arm's pretty toast. Yep. Lower control arm's toast. Right there. And then the butt end of her vehicle came around, hit there. So you can see that's pretty bashed in. The bed there, that's gonna need to be replaced. Hard top's cracked. That's gonna need to be replaced. Hard top alone's $2,000. You can see the damage to the bottom piece there. There, here. So, yep, I was in the left lane. The right lane was full of cars, and somebody let the individual out that hit me. And instead of going into their lane, she went into my lane. Pulled right out in front of me. Hit me pretty good. Or I hit her, rather. So, yeah. Yeah, that's bent. I can tell that's bent for sure. That's bent pretty good. That's a body frame piece there. This side's fine. This side, nothing happened. You can see there, it looks good. So, yeah. I don't know. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. No damage that I see over here. So, part of the airbag, yeah, all the airbags popped, so I don't think this thing is unlocked. But let's see if it is. Oh, it is. Look at there. They cut all the airbags out already, but the airbags popped. The seats are fine. All the trim up there needs to be replaced. All that needs to be replaced up through there. Steering column. The only airbag that didn't deploy is the passenger seat, which I'm surprised about. I did have my lunchbox in the passenger seat, and it was pretty heavy. But yeah, so here's all my other stuff. Personal items here. Yep, it's the last bit of personal items I didn't have before. But yeah, so let's check this out here. So what's the determining factor is they are looking to see, they found about $13,000 in damage. And on the damage report, I even seen some things that I was like, well, that's not right, because they put on there that it had halogen lights. And this has all LEDs on the fog light, on the headlights, all of it was LEDs. So the turn signals, so that price is going to go up. That $13,000 in damage is going to go up. They didn't have the hood or the top on there. They didn't have the bed stuff on there. So more to come. Not sure if it's going to get totaled out or if we're going to repair it.